Devadatt, some big breaking news which is coming in. The hijab hearing has resumed in the Supreme Court. That's the big breaking news. We are getting you minute-by-minute updates about the arguments which are being given by the petitioner. The petitioner has said that the hijab ban must be revoked as it has been revoked in many of the nations. In fact, he says that hijab will be affecting others and cannot be grounds for a ban. In fact, also has said that the negative impact on public morality must be proved to ban hijab. That's the big breaking news which is coming in, that there is a negative impact by the hijab is something which has not yet been proved. Let me go across to Imran Khan, who's joining us with the very latest on this. Imran, these are fierce arguments which are being made in the court. Also, interestingly, you must tell us what's happening inside the courtroom. Also, what the court had yesterday said, that hijab cannot be compared to the other religious symbols such as the cross.
Well, absolutely. The Kamat, on behalf of the students appearing for pro-hijab, had said that why is our council being denied the right to wear the religious garb when others can wear bindi, thread, sacred thread, and cross if they are allowed? Why is that they not be allowed? So the Supreme Court rejected it, saying that they are prima facie cannot come as a religious garb, and it's also made remarks that schools and colleges have right to impose uniform in the interest of maintaining discipline, decorum, uniformity and equality in the institutions. Supreme Court also remarked that if hijab doesn't follow the public order, morality and health, petitioners have a right to unequivocally prove hijab is an essential religious practice. So one of the original arguments is saying that to allow them to hijab as a religious practice. So the arguments went on about this over this hijab issue, and now Kamat is saying that when someone has a right to wear saffron shawl and come to school, what colleges, what is the problem in not wearing a hijab? And they're saying that hijab, tilaknama, janodari is equal to that level order and is an innocent display of faith. That is argument from of Kamat, and he also says that hijab, innocent display of faith, but saffron shawl is a belligerent display of jingoism. That's Kamat. They're making arguments on behalf of hijab, says that hijab is an innocent display of faith, whereas saffron shawl is a belligerent display of jingoism. Just to give a context to our readers, that when hijab protest happened, there was a section of Hindu students who came to college wearing shawls, saying that if they are allowed hijab, we should also be allowed inside classrooms wearing shawls, which both the university administration did not allow inside neither the hijab, neither saffron shawl. So here it's what he's making comparison between hijab and saying that hijab is an innocent display of faith of the Muslim girls to right to wear hijab, and whereas saffron shawl was a response to it, what the Kamat argues is a belligerent display of jingoism.
Well, this is very interesting because at the end of it, it is uniformity and equality versus what kind of privilege can be given. Of course, it comes down to the rule book. The Supreme Court hopefully is going to end this issue and settle this issue once and for all. Thank you so much, Imran, for putting that into perspective.